How to log in to SoundCloud account. So to log into your SoundCloud account, first you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and after that open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for SoundCloud, and here on the first search you will have soundcloud.com. Click on that, and if you want to log into your account you can also continue with your Google, but if you want to log in with your email, then you can click on sign in, which is on the upper right corner. And if you want to create an account, then you can click on create account, which is right beside the sign in. So for now I'll be using my email, so I'll be clicking on sign in. And now if you want to continue with your Facebook, then you can click here, and if you want to continue with Google, then you can click, and if you want to continue with Apple, then you can use this one. So you can use any of these three, but if you want to enter your email address or your profile URL, then you can enter it here, and after entering your email, click on continue, and now you have to enter your password. And by clicking on don't know your password, you can reset your password, but if you remember your password, then enter your password here, and after entering your password and your email, click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log into your SoundCloud account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.